smell the barbecue. I hear children. A dog. And I see someone. I think I see someone. These things. None of it for me. I'm moved by roaring engines. I'm lone warriors. We come from the night.
Eyes open, Blazkowicz. You keep the lookout. I need to go to the piss. Shout! Flag! Flag! Back offside! No, not today! Blazkowicz, go back into the flight deck. Clamp the fuel line to engine 6, quickly! Find the tools in the tool cabinet. You'll need pliers and some baling wire. The fuel line is inside the fuel line compartment! God damn. Cracking job, Captain, but I'm losing altitude. Need to drop weight or we will be ditching hard like. Head for the cargo bay and jettison everything we've got out the cargo door. Hold fast! I'm cranking up the cargo hub. Right, now cut the crates loose, Glasgow. Get that Glasgow, we're scraping the surface! Return to the cockpit, Blazkowicz. You all right back there? This flak is coming from Bethesda's compound. Cherry is off! Up to the turret, Blazkowicz. Go! Clean kills. Mind our friendly. Multiple bandits following me. My escorts are overwhelmed. Oh, I'm being targeted. They're all around me. Outstanding, Vulture 1. That bandit was about to offer me a very snug haircut! How many are there? A bandit in all directions! God damn, they're fast! Get the engines on those things! Straight ahead! It's coming right at us! Shoot! Shoot! Right in front of us, Glasgow! Nice!
Death at the gates again. Howling my name. Can't reach you today. I have a war to win.
You're still breathing, you jammy bastard. You're tough as they come, you know. Jesus Christ. Mayday! Vulture 1, come in, Vulture 1. Med pack for you, Glasgow. Use it. Keep playing out your rat scatchy. Hey, Condor 9, this is Vulture 1. You're crowding me. He's off. Negative, Vulture 1. We've got a serious case of ambush. You'll need to shuffle out of formation and you need to make room, Fergus. Affirmative, Randall. Glasgow, retract the radar. Pull the handle up there by those flashing lights. Damn it. Appreciate your problem, Condor 9. I see smoke. I see solution coming off your rudders. Your freeze ailerons are done. Yeah, this thing handles like a concrete fridge. Thanks, Fergus, for the... Ah! Condor 9. Come in, Condor 9. That's a troop transport. Condor 9, come in, Condor 9. This is Condor 9. Who's this? Private Wyatt, Sergeant 9th Airborne. All right, bear boy. Listen up, pay close attention. Now, you see the pilot's wheel? Yes, sir. Right, I want you to grab it as hard as you can with both hands and pull it towards you. Now, don't turn it, mind you. You keep it level, just pull it towards your chest. Okay, sir. I think it's working! We're leveling out! Okay, Private Wyatt, I need you to do one more thing for me. Sir! Have a man ready by the side door. You are getting visitors. Roger that, sir! Blazkowicz, get the cockpit door open. You're gonna have to hold it up. Ready? Here we go! Oh my God, how many have we lost? I've got you! Look out! Let's go!
Sir, what's the score, Cat?
Do or die, son. Same as always.
Hoorah, sir!
Come pilot, Ted! Shot to the leg and I'm bleeding out! 71 souls in the hold! I don't know what to do! I don't know what to do!
Oh, thank God you're here! Oh, God!
Get up your ass!
Oh, Jesus!
Vultures 1, 3, 4, 8, 9 are down. That's all right, slaves that will have to abort. Blazkowicz, get this boy off the floor. It's a negative, Condor 9. Maintain your course. God damn it, Gordon. We're getting murdered out here. Listen to me first.
Thank you, sir!
If this mission fails, we lose Europe.
I'm
It's
okay
that
now.
simple. Damn it. If you don't stop this head now, Fergus, that window is closed forever. We will lose this war. Aye, Gordon, I hear you. Look, I've got to go. Death's Head's compound's coming up. OSA command out. Condor 9 out. Grab your ball back, Glasgow. Brace for impact. We're coming down hard. God save fuck all. Hold on!
It's the break of dawn. July 16, 1946. Everything has gone to shit. The Nazi war machine is advancing at an astonishing rate. And we can't catch up. Our tactics are failing. Outclassed and outgunned. No one knows why. People are getting desperate. Not me. I'm here to see an old friend and settle a score. Turn this thing around.